You're now watching Rips.
We'll call it 90,000 on the day, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. That's exactly what we were looking for. There's that 35 tag as promised.
You're likely going to be a lot better than you were last year, as long as you take it seriously.
And Rips shows the Jack 8.
Cash is flowing to Rips.
Look at that, just getting absolute.
And it's Rips winning one of the biggest pots of the session.
Wow. $250,000 on the week, baby. Let's go. There's nothing that makes me happier than when I see you folks win. Can it hold this push lower below 80s? This would be a big break if we can hold this push. $6,000 on the day in our Lucid Pro account. This is your entry. This is your ad. This is your takeout. Boom, right there. Good afternoon, everybody, and happy Sunday. Woo! If you're with me in the YouTube, Kick, or X chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning, this afternoon. What a fucking open. Wow. Who nailed that? 100 points of alpha there. Holy shit. What a fucking beautiful. Wow. That was gorgeous. That was incredible. That was amazing. I'm fired up, baby. Woo! It's going to be a day of payouts for GLOBEX for prop firm shit today. So that's what we're going to be doing in our prop firm accounts. It's payout time, baby. Who caught that? Who caught that 100 points of juice? 900 all the way to 24,000. Wow. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it, baby. Was I ever a radio host? No. Nope. Nope, not me. Not me. I'm not that guy. Nerps. All right, we are coming back down here. 70 seems to be this line in the sand. What do I have that I can trade? Oh yeah, I gotta buy more Apex. Fucking A. Okay, so we're taking a payout from Alpha. I don't want to touch the Alpha. I don't want to touch my take profit trader because taking a payout from those. Although I could trade on take profit trader. Seems like such a freaking juicy layup. What to do? I think we just take payouts from everything. Rashid, what's your name? Rashid. Your name sounds like somebody screaming in agony. Asks, are you trading today? Nah, man, I don't trade. I don't trade, dude. I just take payouts somehow. Not me. Fucking no way, bro. 70's that prior day low. Is she now? Let's see. No. Yes, it is. It is. Number one payout, Sean Kick. Oh, that's funny as fuck. Well, let's get this show on the road. Let's do our alpha payouts, shall we? Let's do our alpha payouts. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I'm gonna do my TPT payouts, then do my alpha payouts. Maybe after they take my money out of TPT, we can try trading those bad doggers.
Boom, 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 boom. They won't take it out till overnight the next morning. Well, I guess we'll have to find out together, won't we? Let's do the alpha. Let's see what we can take out of alpha here. I'm gonna make a little spreadsheet here so I know exactly what we can take out. All right, 698. 697, and then what, 696, I'm guessing? Oh, no, 695. Okay, what can we take out of this one? 15,720 divided by 2. We can take out 7,500, so that's what we're going to take out of that one. And then this one, 1497720 divided by 2. 7480. 8. Okay. And this one is 1470992 divided by 2. We can take out 7354. 7354. Okay. Cool. Let's do this together. Payout. Do 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 do. Okay, so should we do a gamble? I guess not, because we don't know how fast Alpha's gonna pay out. We'll do it another time, but hello? What? Where's my Huh? Is there like a window during the day that you can select payouts? Huh? Can you only take payouts after the day is over or something? Let me contact them and see. My accounts don't show up in the drop down. Business hours? Hey, dun, 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 dun. There's a payout date, like 14 days or something. What? I don't know about that. I could, dude, on Friday, I could have taken a payout. Like, it was populating in the account ID. On Friday, I'm like, no, I'm gonna wait for the stream to do it. Fucking dumbass. Dumbass rips, dude. Why did I do that? What the fuck? Let me see what they say. Let's see. FAQ. Payout policy. Nobody knows, huh? That's so annoying because it was there on Friday, dude. Fuck, that's stupid. I don't understand. It was there. Let me log out and log in. So annoying. Zero days remaining for payout. What's up, Antigua? Payout. Dude, what the fuck? There's no options. What the fuck? It's so weird. I have to wait until the day's over? Or something? Can you only do it during the downtime? How annoying. Yeah, I guess we tried TBT in the meantime. Let's do that. Watch this one. We can't do it either. It's a scam. Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see. Okay, pro, clicky, loading, withdraw. Okay, that's better. That works. Let's do this one. Fuck yeah. Look at that. Let's take out the full thing, right? What do we take out? Do we take out the whole thing? 2,000, we could get 1,600. No, let's take out the whole thing, dude. 2,426.50. Bang. Okay, I'm gonna do this. It has like all of my account information behind, so I don't want to show that on stream, but I'm just gonna request all the payouts right now, so give me a second. Let's do full payouts on TBT. Might as well, right? Okay. That one's done. Going from the bottom up here. Withdraw. 2443. Bang. Okay, withdrawals in progress. Doom ba doom ba doom boom ba 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 boom ba boom ba boom. 2448. Okay. Somebody in here said, I've been trading the TGR boot camp and I can't stop blowing accounts. Do you have any advice? Yeah, stop trading with a fucking retard. There's your step one advice. Maybe stop trading with a fucking retard who doesn't have any pubes yet. You fucking retard. Maybe stop trading with somebody who trades a fake account on stream and has never had a fucking payout in their life. Maybe stop trading with a scammer, you fucking moron. I don't know. Is that tough love, or is that like, is it registering for you yet? I can't stop blowing accounts with TJR's bootcamp. Gee, I wonder why, you dipshit. Because he can't stop blowing accounts himself. He's never fucking taken a payout in his life. Good Lord, what a retard. Holy shit. Good Lord, start there, buddy. Good Lord. All right, let's see. Now we go here. Okay, so now what? Do I get like an email or something? Where do I see my payout request? How does this work? How does any of this work? Where does it show up? It'll go into your wallet when it's approved, but I don't even like where does it show pending? How does it show pending? Where's the pending? Where do I go? Where's the pending part? Is there anywhere where it's pending, or will the draw button will turn green? It's in your wallet. There's no pending. It's just a mystery. Well, I don't know if I did it on all of my accounts. How do I know? Here, let me try it again. Can I do it again? Let me see. Withdraw. Okay, wait, hold on. It's been sent. Okay, I can check on all of these. Okay, it's been sent. Okay, that's good. Let's check the next one. Okay, I can check on all of these. I just want to make sure. Dude, I would show this. Otherwise, it has my password on the screen. It's so stupid. I can't show you these screens because it literally has my password and my login on the screen. Somebody would go in and fucking trade my accounts and blow them. Dude, somebody would be so happy to get their fucking hands on my username and password. They would literally go in and blow my accounts. Be like, got him. Ha ha, piece of shit. No payouts for you, sucker. Or what if they went in and they made a bag for me and I could make even more money? No. Okay, yeah, no email, no nothing. Well, all payout requests are in, except for Alpha. I don't understand how I can't pay. Oh wait, here they responded. Let's see. Can you send me the... I could do it on Friday, but now they won't show up from the drop down. Okay, he said send me the account numbers. Okay. Sure, buddy. Hold on 1 second. I mean, I literally could do it on Friday. I don't understand why I can't do it today. Should have just done it on Friday. Wow, the market is motoring. Dude, what a fucking sick market. Dun, dun, dun. All right, let's see what they say. I'll receive an email. I haven't received shit. Yeah, there's no email. I don't have any email. I have no email. Huh. How annoying. Oh, fuck. I should probably buy Apex accounts. What do you guys think? Should I trade in wealth charts or Trade-Evate for my Apex accounts? I don't even know, man. I feel like I should be trading in Trade-Evate because of the hotkeys. I don't know what to do. Trade-Evate. I think my accounts are for sure blown. Blew those last week. Yeah. Juicy Burger 69 says, "Hey Rips, I got a question. I have TJR's dick stuck so far in the back of my throat, I don't know how to pull it out. What do I do?" I mean, brother, if you're choking on some guy's dick like that who's never gotten a payout, brother, I don't know how I can help you. Literally. Like, maybe remove and well, how's it stuck in the back of your throat? Your throat must be like this far from your mouth. It must be like, your throat must be like, you have a genetically modified throat that's like behind your teeth. That's weird. That's very strange. Yeah, I guess just bite down, buddy. You'd probably enjoy that, wouldn't you? You little cocksucker. Oh, good Lord. All right, let's see here. Let's see. He is an alien. That's probably true. I guess I'm gonna try to do the 150Ks again. I gotta do it, right? Oh God, here we go again. Here we go again. Well, wait, hold on. Should I try to get these other accounts removed from my account first? My other, I don't like having the blown accounts in there. I really don't. Quick question. If we use your code on TPT and pass the eval, do we still have to pay the activation fee? You do not, no. You do not. Absolutely not. Yeah, no, it used to be instant, but now they said it takes 8 days. 8 days, but they're adding a feature, I guess, to the dashboard to remove it. I don't know what to do. I don't want to have 40 goddamn accounts in my shit, man. Here, I'm gonna... I had like an Apex ticket. Hold on, let me see. Let me see if my ticket is still open here. Yeah, there we go. Yes. Let me see if I can respond. Oh, fucking it. No. I think you're being a bit neurotic by having the old accounts there? No, I don't think so. They're annoying as shit, bro. Last time it was a problem. Like, my Trade-Evate was glitching out last time it was there. So, I don't think it's being neurotic. It's just, I don't want to have it fuck up my shit again. I don't think it's neurotic at all. Okay, I sent it into my report request. Dude, the gap down was incredible. Now I'm missing all this shit. God damn it. Son of a bitch. Whatever. Guess I could buy all these fucking accounts right now. Okay. Okay. Thank God, fucking Chrome. I love how you can auto-populate everything in Chrome now. It's a godsend, isn't it? What are you guys all trading on right now? Talk to me. Talk to me, people. How often do you blow accounts, bro? Literally every day I blow every single account that I have. Every single day. That's how I get payouts. I get payouts because I blow every single one of my accounts. But yeah, I blow them just every single day, dude. Every fucking day. I can't stop blowing accounts. I blow them every day. Boom, boom, ba-boom, ba-doom, ba-da-da-da-doom. You guys are trading on Lucid, on Tradeovate, on TPT, on Papi Churro. Ay, papi. Papi Churro. This is, I don't even remember how many tries I'm on the new Apex. I think it's my third try. Third try, right, guys? Third try. This has to be my third try. Yeah. It's my third try on the 150K EODs. They always say third time's a charm, right? Right? It's gotta be. I use the built-in copy trader in Tradeovate, baby. That's the one. It's still 85% off, too. Let's go, baby. 85% off is a dream. Dude, I thought I was gonna log on and just get payouts galore today. Instead, I'm just like, I don't even know. I should have just requested over the weekend. I guess I wanted to show you guys, but who gives a shit, right? Who cares? I want, like, dude, I should have just, then I could have been, yeah, whatever. All right, in the future, I'm only taking Lucid payouts on stream. In the future, that's it. That's my promise. I'm only doing Lucid payouts on stream. That's it. Somebody I know, somebody really dope just got a payout from Apex from their 150K. I think they got $46,000 in payouts or something like that. I gotta go check, but they requested their payout on Friday, I think, and they got instantly approved. Something like that. 85% off Apex, baby. Yeah, dude, what a sick open. That 70 level was everything, huh? That 70 level was the juice to run it up. So freaking dope, dude. All right, my Apex accounts look like they're set up, but who knows, right? Because my old ones are still in there, so I have to like count around. Fuck. Here we go. Oh, fuck. I don't know if... I think that's 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's 10. Okay, cool. 56 to 37. Let's see. Okay, cool. We are suited and booted. Cool. Okay, and 20 is the number. Bang. Okay, cool. We got him. Now I gotta change the drawdown to show me the daily drawdown. There we go, 2,000. Cool. We've got him. Now we just need to not blow them. Fuck. Not throwing shade about blowing accounts, man. Was generally curious what is normal for you. Well, I mean, we haven't. The only accounts that we blew were Apex and wasn't there another one? Apex. Oh yeah, Tradeify. Apex and Tradeify. Oh yeah, Tradeify. I have Tradeify. Fuck, I forgot about those. Right? Didn't I buy new Tradeify accounts? Apex and Tradeify were the only accounts I blew last week. Well, that's not the right link there. Yeah, no, I don't, dude. I mean, you trade, like, tune in more if you want to see. It's live all the time, man. Tune in if you want to see how many accounts I blow. Ain't that many. Okay, yeah, cool. We have Tradeify select accounts. Fuck yeah, I forgot about those. Thank you for reminding me. How much total profit so far from prop? I think more than $1, but less than 10 million. So somewhere in between that range. I'm not sure. Yeah, it was Friday, right? Friday we blew Apex and Friday we blew Tradeify or Thursday. I don't remember, man. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not really paying attention to that shit. I pay attention to the payouts, and we're getting a lot of fucking payouts lately. That's all I know. Y'all need to trade your own shit and not worry about what the coach. I don't know, man. People love to pocket watch. Nobody cared to pocket watch when I made 100,000 into $3 million last year. We conveniently forgot about those fucking numbers. But hey, let's pocket watch the fucking. Ooh, how much have you spent on the $12 accounts, man? Oh my God, you bought an account for $12.58? Oh my God, really? Oh, and then you spent $48.73 on a reset? Son of a bitch. Can you tell me how many times have you spent $48.63 on a Tradeify select account? Nobody cares about the 100,000 to 3 million. Well, technically speaking, would you say $26.83 is a fair amount of money to spend on a reset, sir? I want to see us fail back down below 24,000, but I don't think we're going to get there. Nobody cares about the 100K to 3 million in a fucking cash account. Let's all talk about the goddamn $20 resets. Good Lord. I'm still fucking, I might switch my music service, dude. If anybody has any good music services, DM me that are YouTube friendly, because YouTube is just horrible when it comes to musical rights. Unless you want to spend like $200,000 a year, which is stoops. But yeah, they're like, it's the same fucking 12 songs over and over, and I've had enough. I'm really sick of it. It's fucking clown music or the same goddamn 3 songs over and over. The best Carlos voice I fucking got. Oh man. I'm such a retard. Blew my payout in the first 10 minutes of trading straight up gambling. Next time going to wait at least 20 to 30 minutes of proper setup firm. Just full port like a gooner. What'd you do, T-Rock? What did you do? You're trading like TJR over there. Good Lord. What did you do? Can't believe it. Well, the market is settling in. Fuck, I wish I would have had something to trade there, but a pullback to 24,009 would have been sweet. I'd see how my hotkeys turn on. Looks like everything is good to go in my Apex accounts. It appears that way. Hold on, I gotta bring this downtown. Oh, it's too far. Right about, think, right there-ish? Okay, that works. Okay. Let's get this market to push new lows so we can bid. I mean, that was earlier. Volume's still there, surprisingly. I just think it's going to be a little bit waffly right now. I mean, it's a good time to trade in evals. That's what these apexes are. These are evals. The thing that always gets me is that these are one day to pass, so I could go Hambo and Jones. I just have to be fucking careful on the first couple trades. It's my hardest part with these things, is trying to take it slow off the rip. Let's see here. Can you try again but clear cache history in last resort incognito mode? Okay, this is alpha. Maybe we can get our payouts actually. Let me see. Okay, let's see. Log in. Payout. Okay, let me try incognito mode. Dude, oh God. Let me try clearing my cache first. How annoying is this? Site. Where's site data? Why does Chrome always make it so hard to find the like how to delete a specific cookie from a very specific site? Like, why do they make it so fucking hard? It's like this is the longest setting it always takes me to fucking find. Like, okay. So annoying. Cookies. How do I cite? God. Okay, back to trying incognito mode. I can't even figure that one out. I forget how to do the fucking... Wait, in the URL bar, there's a little icon you can click. Just clear that website's cookie cache. Okay. Let's see. Ah! Wow, genius here. Wait, hold on. Cookies and site data. Bang. Okay, does that work? No? Wait. Cookies and site data. Okay, how... Manage... Oh, there we go. Bang, bang, bang. Done. Okay, now let me refresh. Hey, I'm signed out. Okay, let's see. Okay, signing back in. Oh, please work, please work, please work. Come on, baby, please. Nope, fucking A. Nope. Still doesn't show my accounts from the drop down. It worked fine on Friday. How annoying, dude. So annoying, dude. I just want my money, goddammit. It's like 20 grand too. I don't understand, bro. The fuck are they doing over there? It's so weird because I could do it. They're rugging me for the iPad. Dude, Scott Martin, you owe me my 20 grand, buddy. I swear to God, next time I'm just taking the payout. I don't give a fuck. Like, who cares? I was like, I don't need the money this weekend. I thought, fucking Christ, dude. Well, this is the last thing I wanted to do today. I thought I was going to hop on, take payouts, and then fucking trade, but this is not it. TPDs go through. I didn't get an email yet, so I don't know. It says the withdraw, like when I click the withdraw button, all of them said the withdrawal request is in, but I didn't get any fucking emails or anything, so I don't know, man. It's fucking terrifying right now. I just want my money. I guess when you request from AMP, it does take a few hours, so I guess it's fine. It's similar. But at least, like, AMP, they usually remove the money pretty quickly from your account. That's the thing. So. Check spam from TPD? Nah, there's no spam. Wait, is there? Wait, no, there's no spam. Nope. Really weird because it was fine on a Friday. I just wanted to request the payout live on stream. Is anybody else trading on Alpha? Is it the same for anybody else? Super annoying. Nobody else is on Alpha, so I was just curious if anybody else is like payout eligible on Alpha, then we could all see if it's a site-wide issue or if it's just me. Been live for 43 minutes talking about this. You'll get an email from TPT once it approves your withdrawal request. Hopefully tomorrow morning. That'd be great. You got pushed to TPT Pro Plus somehow. I only had a 2K buffer on Pro. I had 5K at one point, but had 3 losing days. They still pushed you to Pro Plus. Not sure why. Great. You just earned yourself even more money. 90% split instead of 80%. I wish I had that. Oh, he says, I've just realized the issue. Please tell me. What is it, a payout window? Is there a payout window? Do they only have payouts during the 1 hour where the markets are closed or something? He's typing. Let's see. I'm fucking pins and needles. Payout requests cannot be made on Saturday and Sunday. Ah, okay. Makes sense. All right. Figured it out. Payout requests can't be made on Saturday, Sunday. We're making the request tomorrow morning. Sweet. There we go. There we go. I don't know, because Sundays are the day for the Lord, baby. I don't know. He says, try again in 1 hour 15. Okay, thanks. 1 hour 15? What the fuck? 1 hour 15? All right, we'll do that at the end of the stream then. You didn't know that since the beginning? Apparently not, dude. I don't know. Fuck. He's probably nursing a hangover, bro. I don't know. It wasn't the owner that I'm talking to. It was one of his lackeys. It's one of his fucking people. It's a group chat that I'm in, so. They're London based. Well, there you go. What time is it in London, mate? Isn't it like 3 o'clock in the morning in London? Dude's probably busting on his girl right now. 22:45. I don't speak UK. What the hell time is 22:45, bro? I don't speak that language. Oh, he's probably fucking blowing a load of beans on his chick's back right now. Oi, beans and toast, here it comes, in it, brah. Oh, you're in the UK. It's 11 p.m. Thank you. I only speak American. I don't know what 22:45 means. 1 hour, 15 minutes will be Monday in the UK. Okay, we'll try in 1 hour, 15 then. There we go. And just do our time plus 8. That's too much math, bro. I get it though. 11:45. All right, well, back to trying our hardest to trade Apex. See if we can blow these accounts. Well, I'm not actually meaning that. I want to fucking pass Apex and get them across the line and fucking make money on these things. Volume has subsided a little bit. I think we wait for another 14 minutes. Let's do a channel gambles point. Let's wait 14 minutes here. Okay, let's do this. Channel gambles. Oh, I like how it pops up and it says, "Will I blow a load on somebody's mom?" is the first channel gambles. That's great. Where are we trading at? 24,039. Let's do this. Time won't be 7. This is gonna be a big one. That's what she said. Okay, here you go. Bang, there you go. The channel gambles are live. When are you getting a Saratoga sponsorship already? I don't know. They need to hurry their ass up. Come on, Saratogas, what are you doing? I don't want this song, my God. I hope somebody DMs me a good music service. Where do you see volume and bookmap? Bubble size, and also at the bottom here. Right here. Volume bars, bubble size. Bubble size is relative. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'd love to see this settle down from 91 to back to even 24,000. I keep on picking up my stream deck like I'm going to trade it. It's just smarter to wait. Oh, God. He's watching the stream now. He heard the beans on my girl's back comment. Whoopsie. He said he wasn't watching the stream. You're not supposed to be watching the stream, man. You lied. Damn it. Here I was, thought we were talking behind his back, and he caught the whole fucking spiel about the beans on his chick's back shit. God damn it. He wasn't supposed to be watching. Oh, God. That's embarrassing. Good comms, man. He's not supposed to be watching. 11 p.m. He's supposed to be having his nighttime tea. Is all UK tea caffeinated, by the way? Because they have tea in America that's like wind down tea. Has like melanoma in it or what? Not melanoma. Fucking melatonin? No. What? They got tea with skin cancer in it. No, what the fuck is the tea that has the wind down shit? What's the wind down shit? Lavender? Melatonin? Chamomile? What the fuck is the... Dude, what's the tea? It's not chamomile. Melatonin? Is it melatonin? What's the fucking thing in it? What did I say? Minoxidil. Oh, God. I'm still in weekend mode. Oh, there's your... Okay, it's melatonin I was thinking of, not melanoma. If you're drinking tea with melanoma in it, you might get hurt. So melatonin was the thing, because they make melatonin gummies that are a complete and total scam. Good Lord, I shouldn't have even come live. Took a payout you can't even see. It's not even through yet, and then we have to wait another hour and 10 minutes for the other payout. God damn. Melatonin does help you sleep. Yeah, the gummies are a scam though. Dude, you guys have seen those creatine gummies out there? Those creatine gummies are a complete scam. By the way, I will be taking a trade here in about 9 minutes when the market starts picking back up. I missed this nox, but like I will take a trade, I promise. Nothing funnier than melanoma. I mean, not really. I mean, melanoma, I think, is the least harmless of all the cancers. So if you are going to make cancer jokes, I guess that's the one, but you shouldn't be joking about cancer in the first place. It's funny that I said melanoma in tea, in British tea, for no reason. What a weird conversation to have. Ripsoma, creatine gummies. Yeah, those creatine gummies I don't think are a good move. I just have not seen anything good about those things. There's apparently, this is in my spam, apparently there's another prop firm out there. It's not a prop firm that I promote. There's a prop firm out there that's sending phishing emails that looks like it's from another prop firm. It was just in my spam box, so be careful on that. The melatonin gummies knock you out? Really? So those work? I've just read bad reviews about the creatine gummies. Like the creatine gummies are dog shit. Trenbolone gummies? Yeah, there you go. Trenbolone gummies are where it's at, dude. Those are some great ones. Those are amazing. $2 a.m. here, need some gummies. What about the THC gummies? Those ones are the real ones. Those ones will fuck you up. You seen those videos on TikTok of like the grandmas eating those gummies? Those are funny videos. Does Rips take trades here? No, I'm talking about grandma's taking THC gummies, bro. We're talking about important shit, okay? God. It's the second time somebody's asked whether or not I'm going to take trades on a trading show. Can't you see? We're talking about grandmothers consuming THC gummies. We're talking about important things here. God. It's unbelievable you talk about trading at these hours. These are very important conversations that need to be brought to the forefront of the community. Oh, God. No, I'm going to be looking for trades in about 6 minutes here. Volume is dying down a little bit. I did trade before I went live. Whee! Got a little juice to about here. But yeah. But in prop firms, we are green behind the ears for the time being. We're waiting. Okay. There we go. There we go. It's lined up. I drank a 50 milligram THC tea once in Santa Cruz and was way too messed up. I don't think I've ever done that before. Does that order map mess with your head? Huh? What? Huh? Is order map a THC gummy or something? I wonder if my trading will get better if I trade after eating gummies. Brother, I doubt you would remember any of the trades that you take. I'm just saying, I don't think it would work very well. I mean, I can't even imagine trading while high. That would be... Trading while on drugs would be terrible. You'd be like... I don't know. Just like forget where you are mid-trade. Maybe that would help with your stress in a trade, but God, I would never want to have real risk in the markets. Just be like, fuck this shit. Capitalism's a lie. Who cares? Fuck this capitalism shit. Who cares if I lose the trade? Doesn't mean anything. Spicoli has a trading channel? No, that's insane. That'd be nuts. Did the gummies after my car accident blows the opiates away for Bahrain? Wow, really? That's gnarly. That would be fun because you'd be relaxed. Dude, that would be quite the challenge to do that, in my opinion, right? To do that live on stream too, that would be one hell of a challenge. See if you could pass a prop firm account, a 1 day to pass prop firm account and just try to scalp the markets. How fast would you give up though? Probably be pretty crazy, right? Shrooms and live trading are the best. Party if you win or lose. Hell yeah. Big time party, baby. No worries about anything. Got my first few Lucid accounts and switching to NASDAQ. Any tips coming from gold and silver? Well, if you're coming from gold, I mean, it's similar. Silver is very thin. So, I mean, you might want to try the ES first. Are you trading MNQ or NQ? Don't use it all now, leading the sober life. Yeah, that's good. Well, it's a good thing you didn't get hooked on opiates. I've heard a lot of horror stories from people who have like bad car accidents or like fucking fall down a set of stairs or something and you get prescribed opiates and then you just become physically addicted to those things. That's terrible. That's awful. I don't think that THC is like the same physical addiction risk, right? I don't think it is, at least. I don't think it's one of those things where it's like, you know, I think it's chill. Do 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 boom boom boo doom. Yeah, I think it's one of those things that's just fine. Yes, sir. That's how I got hooked and ended up on heroin. Jesus Christ, that's horrible. That's awful. If they're being serious, that's freaking terrible, dude. Are you still playing poker? Dude, I have not played poker in like 4 weeks, 5 weeks. Last time I played, I spun up like, I think it was 2 or 3 grand into 50K. It was insane. I was playing with Ryan Feldman and a couple other guys, some friends, and I got very lucky. And I haven't played since, but I'm gonna be doing some content in the future where I'm playing on like Hustler Casino Live. And I think a fun idea would be like to take a payout from Apex, take the money from Apex and then go play on Hustler Casino Live and do like a whole vlog or live stream around that. I think it'd be fun. Something like that. And then like give away the money that I went on the show. Some shit like that. Be amazing. I'm thinking about things. I'm coming up with good ideas like that, so. Gold is selling off. Let's see. Are we still on the J contract in gold? Holy, there it goes. Wow, gold's getting schmeckled. Nice pop and drop there. NQ as well. Why can't it just be the top of the hour? Why does it have to start moving without us? Volume's still a little bit light too. Let's see. Well, let's see what the top of the hour brings. We're inside 1 minute until the top of the hour now, so caution flag is out. Is this the Degenerate Show? Yes, welcome. You're home. Welcome home. CEO Mark Zuckerberg is creating a CEO agent to assist him in his job. Like, are you talking about like AI? Is that why he closed the metaverse? So he can spend $80 billion on a CEO AI agent? FDA was first federal FND, was formed specifically to combat heroin addiction epidemic, betrayed its foundation with money for interesting. I didn't know any of that. I had no idea. No idea, buddy. Ripsy reversal. I'm not in anything, man. I'm waiting. I'm freaking waiting over here. All right, here we go. Top of the hour. See if we get any volume in. Got 6 minutes till the channel gambles get paid out. Market looks kind of weak-ish. We need to break below, what is that, 30s for this to start running? I was expecting more volatility than this at the top of the hour, but it's just so boring. Problem with me is like when the market's moving this slowly, I tend to like really lever into shit because I want to collect like some kind of meaningful money. It's popping up very, very slightly here. This could be forming a little bit of a PNC, but it's so hard to read when the volume's so low. I'd love to see it pop like 65 and reject. That'd be sweet. You like guns? Yeah, of course. Love guns. Let's see here. 65. Come on, baby. Had my first 50K Lucid eval, one trade with NQ win, one MNQ loss, call it a day. Yes, absolutely. Okay, we're pushing up here. I want to see if we reject up here, like around 70s. We're pushing up currently. If we reject it up here at these caps, then I want to try to take this short, but I'm just seeing. All right, I'm gonna try this short. I'm currently short right now in Apex. Currently short. I want to add to this right here. I want to add to if we touch 65 again. Let's see. Here's my problem. I'm going to be over leveraging on this type of trade too. Because I want more. I want to see a break below 50s on this. Okay, watching here. If we tap out here, I want to add up here. Adding again. Okay, let's see if we can flush through 65 now. And I'll go for one more add. Right now we got 4 contracts on. Let's see. Okay, adding again. Because we're holding at 70s. Ah, god damn it. Told you my big problem on these trades, over leveraging. No, just fail here for me. Come on, baby girl, just fail at those 70s. I guess I could have traded micros too, but let's just see. Come on, baby, break on down. Just tap those 70s and just break on and roll, and then we get a flush of the 50s. I should have traded micros in this, because then I could have scaled a little bit more effectively. All right, let's see. 70s, let's get that push down in 70s now, and then we get the little roll, and everybody's happy. I mean, it should pitch and catch from here. We should see that, but Do they have the conversion yet? Well, in Apex, they don't even have Trade prop, but they were talking about doing that conversion where I could flip into micros right now and I could probably like scale out some, but. This is tricky. Very tricky. I know I shouldn't have, but I did. I just added again. God, such a bad idea. Okay, 75. I just need it to just tuck and roll right here. Just give me the tuck and roll through 70s. And we should break below 50s in the S&Ps too. It really should. Very low volume still too. Should get that tuck and roll right here. Come on, just do it. Very gappy spreads. Look at how wide these spreads are. This is not a good time to be trading minis in a fucking eval account. All right, let's see this little slam through 65 now. Just let it go, baby. Let it go. It's okay. Just let it go. It'll all be okay, I promise. They're stacking underneath. Bad time to be in minis. Try one more here if we can. I might run out of juice, dude. I'm adding one more. It's such a bad idea, I know. I could probably peel one off though at like 70 if we get back down here. Right? Peel off one right down here and then add again. Hold on. Come on, just let me have it. Let me have it. Let me have it. Just go right through. I'm trying to peel off like 2 down here and then I can add more if I need to. Let's see. Nah. Just let me have the little, just a little, a little bit of a taster right here. Just right there. Bang. Give me just one more little, yeah, there we go. Can I take off one more right there? Did it let me take off? Yeah, it let me take off. There we go. Take off a couple right there. Okay, I can add back if we push back higher. That's the thing. Okay, let's see. I don't like how much we added at 65 there on the bids, but it is what it is. If we break through all this liquidity at 65, this thing will roll pretty violently, I think. They make you work so freaking hard for this shit in Trade-Evade, dude. I swear to God. Look at how bad these spreads are, too. Like, that is disgusto, bro. It's okay to let it roll, guys. It's okay, I promise. Like right there, just let it drop. Let it drop on down. Just like one little tick through 62 there and everybody's happy. By everybody, I mean mostly me, but yeah. 62s, just go. Let it fade. Let it fade. Nobody's gonna be mad at you, I promise. Yeah, they don't want to let it fade. What do I have? 3 contracts on? Isn't it fun trading through a, what is this? Almost 15 handle range, I suppose, and just having these spreads gapped so much that you can't even get like decent fills. Get back down to 24,000 would be a dream, brother. Be adding so fast into that. It's just holding right now at 65. I don't like the hold at 65, if I'm being honest. S&Ps are holding just above 50s too, but if it broke either of those levels, 50 in the S&Ps, 62 in the NASDAQ, this thing would roll so fast, but it's just, there's just very, like, dude, the volume's completely dead right now. I did not expect the volume to be this dead. It'll probably pick up in about 52 minutes. So 52 minutes, we'll get some more volume coming in. Right now, they're pinning this between 57 and 52 in the S&Ps. Let's see if they can bring it down below 65 at all. They're holding 65s. Can they slam it? There's 52. I have an order at 61 halves. Will they fill it? One print and they will. Oh my God, it didn't print. You see that? They had a bid down there, but it didn't print it. You guys. You guys and your little silliness. Well, they showed a bid at 60.5. I guess even lower, right? What was the bid? 61 halves. Where was mine? 61 halves, yeah. That's one thing I wish they would do on sim fills. If I have one gripe, would be on sim fills if they would actually fill you if they have a bid down there. I mean, it would be like cheating, but like, I mean, it's kind of fair, but it'd be very nice if they showed a bid down there and you still got filled just because they bid it. You know what I mean? We might be adding again up here. It seems like they just were collecting bids below 65 and nobody was interested in selling below there. Now they're trying to buy it. See if they run into a huge offer and I can add into that. Spreads are getting a little bit tighter, which is okay. We're really working in a tight range here. See if they retake 80s to the downside here. Some bids at 80s. I didn't push the button up there, but that would have been a nice time to add. No button pushes up there above those 80s. I wanted to see a bigger offer. That would have got me pushing the button up there, but whatever. See if we take back below these 70s here. If we do, then we will likely retest that 65 level. I have a bid down there at 61 halves still. Really wish I would have added up there at 80s. Somebody's holding 67. 67 and then 52 in the S&Ps. So same kind of deal. Very, very tight range here. Where's Trump in his tweets? Be careful what you wish for. It could be a very positive tweet. The Iran war is over. And then poof, 600 points straight to the face. I don't like how we just made a higher low there either. So I'm going to have to get extra risky on this if I want to actually make out on green on this trade. Like I'm going to have to be so heavy on the top side ad. Because right now we held right around 70s before we held right above 60s. Nikkei is going to be opening, what, in 20 minutes? Or less than 20 minutes, right? Or am I wrong about that? That's what Dakota trades. I think he used to trade a lot of Nikkei. I don't know if he trades it anymore. All right, we're pushing up again. There's not a lot of offers in the way of this, so I might have to be super aggressive here. Again, I have zero fucking drawdown to deal with, so really wish we would have built up some drawdown before we started putting minis into this thing. All right, let's watch here on this push. Too risky to add still. Up there. It didn't give me a chance. It didn't hold anything. Very whippy. All right, let's see if we get a nice little push that I could add into and then peel off. Just holding at these 80s for the time being. See if we get that exchange back down to 70. Really, 70. That's all I'm looking for now. It's starting to get a little weak in the S&Ps. Actually going to add one right here. Not a great fill. Terrible, terrible fill. But a little weakness here in the S&Ps. If they break back below 56, it should slam. There you go. Terrible fill on that ad, though. All right, looking for 75 to break back lower. And they're holding 55 here in the S&Ps. This is truly some slow market shit here. You're dancing with very wide spreads and extremely low volume. See if they give me one high print that I could add into. Just holding up here between 75 and 85. S&P's potentially trying to break 55 to the downside here. We got a 13 bid on the offer here in the NASDAQ that shouldn't be any trouble to get through. They're pushing on it. See if they can wax this thing. Huge spreads in both right now still. Not huge, but big enough. See on this push. Just trying to get a higher average if we get a nice enough push. But the problem is it's like the bid is so low that it's like the push means nothing. It's just high offers and same low bids. Maybe on this one. Nope. Like you see, we're trading like 76 right now. The bid that I was able to get up there when it was like the offer was 82, the bid was like 78. So it's like, it's not even like offering that much of a chance to like make anything. Like I wanted an ad up there, like if they gave me a bid of 82, because I'm adding at the market, so it's gonna fill me on the bid. Seeing if we connect through 70s now. We just broke 55. They need to hold these bids underneath. If they lose these bids underneath 55, we should roll some more. I still have my bid at 61 halves too. This is such boring price action, such low volume. Now let's see if they give me anything that I can trade around. It's just right now is just not it. Could have moved my bid from 61 halves a little bit higher since my average improved slightly, but it's just not feeling like it's advantageous yet. We are just holding that 1 hour mid currently. 1 hour mid's at 64 halves. Do 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 do. There's nothing I can add into unless I want to get mega risky, and I don't have any drawdown to play with. That's my problem. Like zero drawdown to play with, so it's just so hard to add. See if we have a nice connection we could roll through. Like 62 would be lovely. 52 is the level for the S&Ps to watch. Now if you're using limit orders, you can make this happen, but I just don't have the wherewithal with the way that the market's moving to click and add limit orders. I'm just using my stream deck in my lap right now, holding it like a Nintendo controller. Come on and break down, baby. Don't be a pussy. Don't be a peanut butter bitch. Remember, 61 halves is where we get filled on one of our 4 contracts. Does it want to give us 61 halves? We are being a dick for a tick. I know that. Trust me, I know. Oh, baby. Fill us? We got filled. Hey, we got filled for one of our contracts. All right, we're getting a little bit more drawdown to play with. Great. Fantastic. There we go. Wonderful. Got filled another one there. Down to 1 contract. That's the flush we wanted. Anybody else catch that? I mean, it was risky, but I could have made so much more if I would have added up there at 80s, but I was just trying to play it smart with the little amount of drawdown that we had. See if we stop out here at 55. That's where my stop is. Is it gonna make us stop out at 55, or is it gonna let us go for a little ride lower? Sometimes I want to blow beans on her back. You know what I mean? If you've been watching the stream earlier, we're talking about that. This is called the that little roll. The technical term. I know you guys have had, you know, trading vocabulary where you talk about inverted fair value gap. Oh my God, it stopped out on the fucking tick. You son of a bitch. No, so there's multiple trading strategies. And look, of course, we go right back down. So there's a pitch and catch. There's the inverted fair value gap. There's turtle soup. That was called the Londoner bean back blower. If you're paying attention, that was called the Londoner bean back blower. LBBB. The LBBB, Londoner bean back blower. It's when you blow a fat load of beans on her back. Honey, I'm short 80s. You said what? No, don't turn around. Ah! Oh my God, it's all over your face now. It was supposed to be on your back. You shouldn't have turned around. Overs 1, let's see. Was it? 55? 706? Let's see. I can't believe we got stopped out there. That's such robbery. That's skullduggery. Is skullduggery the right word that I'm looking for? Is that skullduggery technically? That we got stopped out there? Is that skullduggery? It feels like it. It feels all right, like the correct adjective. Look at that. To the tick. Our stop was at 55. This is fucking highway robbery, brother. Are you kidding me? Look at our stop was at 55. It printed 54.75. The offer went to 55, so it stops us out. Explain me that, Batman. Riddle me this, Penguin. Answer me that, Captain America. What the fuck? I say, what the fuck? The overs win? All right, fine. I'm not even gonna look. I'll just pay the overs. That is some scumbag shit, brother. The unders won? Katie? Do you need a timeout, Katie? Do you need to go sit in the corner and think about what you've said? I'll do it. No, just pay me, please. Well, bet the right fucking thing then. Jesus, why don't you get better at gambling? Don't cry to me, Argentina. Jesus. Pass another eval on that move. Who else caught the LB3? Who else caught the LB3? I know somebody out there caught it. One person at least caught the LB3. Yeah, you know me. I'm trading LB3. You're goddamn right, baby. God bless. I love it. Look at that. We just made equal lows there. What a fucking beautiful market, huh? See, here's the difference, though. If I was trading an account that had drawdown, alpha, pretty much it. If I was trading my alpha accounts, if I could have taken the goddamn payout, I would have fucking shorted the shit out of that area up there. I just didn't have any drawdown. I felt very over leveraged, and I only had 4 contracts on. It felt very, very irresponsible. I would have traded micros. I would have been happy with like 35 micros. Per account, guys. I'm talking about per account. I'm not talking about total. Took a 10 contract short at the high right at the close on Friday. Let's go, D-Book. Amazing. I love that. Lomanco with the 3 months. What a G. What a G. My man. Only 1750 on a 50K. Brother, I made 1100 on a 150K. What does that say about me? Should I just go and hero right now? The hell are you talking about? Only 1750 on a 50K. Brother, I made 1185 on a 150K. Oh, you're saying drawdown. Yeah. No, yeah, I get you. Brother, so here's the cool thing, right? We traded today on Sunday. That still counts as Monday's trade day. So I'm going to be able to bring this drawdown that I built into tomorrow's morning session with y'all. As long as I don't act like a fucking retard and continue to trade tonight and eat into it. I might continue to trade. Maybe I'll get some better trades. But here's the deal. For people that don't understand how the Apex drawdown works, I got 1185 right now in these bad doggers plus the 2000. Right? My daily loss limit in these Apex account is $2,000. So technically speaking, carry the 1, add the 3, minus 6, you get 3185 right now in total daily drawdown that I can utilize. And it doesn't trail against me, right? Gunny says, I have 12K drawdown in my Tradeify. Feels good. See? You get what I'm talking about. Chaos Trader says, I need 1100 to finish a Lucid Flex. Let's go, baby. Kenny says, my daily loss limit on my PA is 4K. Fuck yeah. Oh, because you got the bonus. You done bonus that bitch. God bless. I love it. That's amazing. Doom, doom, ba-doo, doom. What's up, George? How are you, pal? Hey, Rips, do you know who won the Alpha giveaway from Friday? Yes! Oh, shit, I forgot. Thank you for reminding me. You guys ready? Let me know if any of you guys are here that won. But here you go. The winners are as follows. Jonathan Antigua, Jerome Deniant, and Tomas Zabo. Those are my winners. Jonathan Antigua, Jerome Deniant, and Tomas Zabo. Looks like we found one of them. Those are my winners from Friday. Check your la cuentas. You have artwork. You know, Ripsmod, sometimes I just wonder with you. I just wonder. I feel like one day I'm going to get a message from your mom, Ripsmod, and they're going to be like, hey, it's Ripsmod's mom. And I'll be like, damn, I remember you. Remember back in the day? Am I right? And she'll be like, ah, yes. Anyway, Ripsmod's mom is going to message me, and I'll be like, what happened? Why isn't Ripsmod showing up to work? And they're going to be like, well, here's the thing. They're such a retard, they forgot how to breathe. I'll be like, well, that makes sense. Some of the shit that you DM me, Ripsmod, I swear to God, I'm worried about you that one day you're just going to forget one day, oh, fuck, I have to breathe to stay alive. Seriously. I truly believe that. One day I'm just going to get a message. The shit you DM me sometimes, I'm just like, okay. Good for you, man. Who's creating the Ripsmod mom? No, don't give anybody any ideas. We don't need a Ripsmod's mom account. Oh, God. When does the Lucid 50% end? Actually, in 1 week and 3 days. 1 week and 3 days, and then it's over. It's over. Maybe he's just a stoner. I don't know. Dude, he's awesome. What can I say? He's a very good person. I make fun of him all the time, but he doesn't care. I've talked to him about this. He doesn't care. I love making fun of Ripsmod. It's hilarious. Hey, Rips, it happened again today. I closed my eyes and got legitimately pretty close to the kind of shit that he DMs me. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. Legitimately very similar to the shit that he will DM me. Who turned off the lights? About to go eat some of them gummies since you mentioned it earlier. I'm not trying to encourage your drug use, my friend. Keep it clean, brother. Wow, look at that. We are breaking lower. I got nothing on right now. God damn it.
Is that for new Lucid accounts only? It's for your first 2 times ever using the RIPS code. Code RIPS. You use it twice, you get 50% off. Then you get 5 uses of 40%, and then it goes to 35% or something like that. I don't know. Any word regarding Apex ban traders? From what they told me, they're looking to remove bans from people who are not bad violators over the next few weeks. That is the last communication I've heard about it, but I don't have anything official. But that is what I've heard, is that they're looking into removing bans from people that were not like habitual rule violators. But like, dude, TPT is banning people. I love it, bro. I love seeing people getting banned because it's like, ha, you fucking little gamers. Like, I hate these people that are fucking gaming prop firms or trying to game prop firms. It's fucking stupid. Like, I try to trade pretty well on all of my accounts. Like, I really do. I'm not trying to fucking run games on this shit. Like, my alpha accounts, bro, those are so sick. I'm treating them like a real fucking brokerage account and getting a $20,000 payout in maybe 30 minutes. We're going to find out together. Rips, last 3 years, what year is hardest to trade? Ooh. I mean, 2022 was the hardest year in the last decade, I'd think. Between 2016 and now, I'd say 2022 was the fucking hardest year. 2022 was very hard. In the last 3 years, though, I mean, this year doesn't count, right? So we're talking about 23, 24, 25? I don't know. None of them really stick out as being like difficult. They were just like good days and bad days, you know? Mostly good days, though. Any chance Apex comes to TradeC? I ask them about it every week. I tell them, I'm like, dude, you guys got to get TradeC. But I've heard that the onboarding for TradeC is not like we flick a switch and it's all gravy, you know? The group buy of 20 accounts, brother, I feel you. Like, I had to just buy 20 Apex accounts. It's not easy. It's annoying. Thank God Chrome saves all of your shit now. Chrome also saves your CVC or CVD, your three number code. They didn't used to do that. God bless them. I'm so happy they do that now. You can autofill your 3-digit credit card code. Thank God. Isn't that a fucking technology, man? 2026. What a year to be alive, you know? They fucking save that shit in your fucking credit card thing now. It's amazing. I love it. God bless. CVV. There you go. Got too many to remember? No, I just don't want to type it in every time I'm buying a fucking Apex account. Clickety click. I'm done. You know? Those 3 numbers I got to type in saves a fucking lot of time, man. I have that number memorized because of fucking Apex. Believe that. Yeah, CVV. There you go. Where's the Apple Pay? I know, right? That'd be sweet. What plan alpha do you use? Alpha Advanced. I'm on the 150K Advanced accounts and I got 3 of them bad doggers. Somebody said something about a rumor that they might go to 5 Advanced accounts, but I don't know about that. I haven't heard anything about that. Ever thought about putting your whole net worth on green? Every single day I wake up, I have that thought, brother. It's a mission for me to not drive down to the street and put it all on 000. It could hit. You never know. It could hit. 75K payouts a week is a little insane. What are we talking about? Oh, 5 accounts. Oh, shit. Yeah, that'd be insane, brother. Oh, yeah. That'd be insane. Hell yeah. Apex should partner with Klarna. Do you think you could afterpay your Klarna payments? Is that a thing? Could you put your Klarna payments into Afterpay and then afterpay those fuckers? And then payception those somewhere? We need to find out how many levels deep you can go. I want to put a Chipotle burrito on Klarna and then afterpay those Klarna payments. Could we go a level deeper and then put that on a cash advance card and then get an advanced on my paycheck? TJR has a service. Dude, he probably does. Because none of his people are getting payouts. People do that with Starbucks. Dude, I've seen the memes. There's no way that people actually do Afterpay on like DoorDash orders. That's insane work. We are still rolling after I've been stopped out. These sons of bitches. Bro, look at it. It was literally, we would have never got stopped out ever again. We could have just been holding the one lot to Glory Town. Could have held it all the way to the glory hole. Unbelievable.
My bank starts calling after 3 simultaneous transactions. Really? That sucks. Thankfully, I don't have that. You know, I used to have that. Now that I think about that, I haven't had that shit in a while, bro. Where was my last transaction flagged? It happened like 3 months ago, actually, for the first time in a fucking long time. And I was like, why are you guys flagging a transaction? It was weird, though. It wasn't even that much money. It was just flagged for no reason. And I'm trying to remember where I was, but I got a text and like the whole deal. But that hasn't happened to me in a long ass time. There's an article, 30% of pay now, pay later, or buy now, pay later. What is it? BNPL services. It's for groceries. Are you serious? How could you eat something and then think about having to pay for it later? Brother, huh? That makes me like anxious just even thinking about that thought. Like, imagine like eating food and then you haven't even paid for it by the time it comes out. Ribs, when is your bar mitzvah? Will French Montana sing at the bar mitzvah with Elenium as the DJ and the venue be at the Sphere? Yes, to all of those questions, obviously. Are you coming? Are you going to get me something? Tradeify always gets flagged with my banks in Canada and Dubai. Interesting. That's weird. Well, you know, there's payment processors, and some payment processors get flagged by banks, which I guess is a good thing. I don't know. So broke, his mortgage payment and car payment are the same thing. Dude, that's fucked up. That's mean. When you paid for Bryce's mom's Uber to get the flag out, I made her walk home. Let's be honest. Get flagged every time I buy funded next accounts. It's ridiculous. Interesting. What would you like at the bar mitzvah? Bryce's mom? No, dude, that means then you didn't spend any money on me. Everybody knows she's free. Come on. Got Carlos's mom here at the crib right now. Well, I'm sorry. Let me know if you need a forklift to get her out of there. The average car payment is over $1,000 now. Damn, that's insane. For even like a shitty car? Really? Wait, no, we got a lot of rich people in here. If I was like, what's your average car payment? I bet you the average car payment in here is like $2,000 because we got affluent people that watch here. We don't have the poors. We got affluent people in here, baby. How about zero? Yeah, it's either zero or like $2,000, right? Or cash only. Yeah, see, look at that. You guys are financially literate. Look at you guys. Escalade paid off. Let's fucking go. Dude, you know that people like put fucking like car accessories on credit cards and shit? Like people will buy rims on credit cards. Dude, like, holy shit. How financially illiterate would you have to be to put like car parts on a credit card? That's fucking next level. Like imagine putting rims on a credit card, dude. That's next level. You gotta feel bad about that one. Holy shit. I thought about that because I was watching, dude, like, it's like on National Geographic, something about like some car show. I know National Geographic should be about animals, but it was like some car show or something. And like they're talking about it and they're like, yeah, most people who buy car accessories put them on a credit card. I was like, what the fuck? Got my Chrome's double wiper blades. Jesus Christ. Dude, I use my credit card for everything, but I literally wake up. The very first thing I do, I have a routine in my morning, right? I wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning, write my morning memo. One of the things I do religiously every single morning, sometimes from my bed, is pay down all of my credit cards because I use my credit cards all the time. They have a name for me at credit card companies. It's like their nightmare, right? Credit card companies hate me because I make bank on the points, bro. Does anybody know what the name for the credit card users are that are like really good? Why not just have a direct debit every month? Because I want to have my balance very fucking low and keep my credit score high. I have a very nice credit score and I don't ever want to have a balance. So whenever your credit score pings like all the time, and I never want it to ping and see anything other than 0% credit utilization. Deadbeats, exactly right. So I'm considered a deadbeat credit card user, right? They hate me. I've never, ever, ever in my entire life of having a credit card ever once paid interest on a credit card. Never once. I've never had a single late payment. Never, nothing. I've had a very high credit score for a very, very long time. And that's how you do it. You have like your credit utilization should be 0% and you should have a shit ton of credit available.
0% utilization isn't good, apparently. Wrong. No, that's completely wrong. Totally wrong. Whoever told you that is a liar, bro. You want your credit score high, you have your utilization close to 0. I can get anything I want with credit, man. Like, my credit is fucking insane. I can get anything, bro. Any size fucking loan, anything. Finance fucking anything if I wanted to, but I wouldn't, but you know. Utilization should be 10 to 50%. Nope. You're not going to convince me otherwise, brother. Nope. Yeah, I've had the Amex Black Card. I've had it. I had it for like 3 or 4 years. I got rid of it. Biggest waste of money ever. Biggest waste of money in my life. Bro, I was paying like $15,000 a year for, it's like I had a card for me. I had a card for employees. Like, it was a fucking waste, bro. Complete waste. I don't travel. If you travel, it's nice, but the same concierge that you get with the Centurion card is the same concierge that you get with the Platinum card. And they don't want to tell you that. But the Platinum card is like $300 a month when I use it. I don't have Amex anymore. I don't have any need for it. I spent more on my green card than I did on my Centurion card or my Platinum card. I spent more on my green card. But yeah, dude, there was literally nothing besides the sound that it made when you drop it on the bar. That was the only benefit of it. That was it. And back then, like, that was the only card that made that sound. Now they have all the cards that make that sound. I'm pretty sure the Apple card even makes that sound. They're all made of metal, right? It was the first metal card. Green card, Amex Green, this lowest level fucking card that you can get on Amex. I use my Amex Green card the most. Actually, no, that's a lie. I use my Amex Plum card the most because I got crazy cash back. I was grandfathered in for like, they finally cut me off, dude. I was at like 3.5% cash back with the Plum card. Something crazy, bro. It was like way higher than everybody else's, and then they finally cut me off. They're like, no, you can't have that anymore. What's a Platinum card? Is it American Express? Yeah, my cash back was so high that they literally had to pull me out of the program. It was fucking insane, bro. You just put my mortgage on my credit card? Wait, that was a thing? You could do that? That's insane. Yeah, Amex is great customer service, and the amount of times that the phone rings is how high your tier is, by the way. If you call into Amex and there's no rings on the phone, you're a preferred customer. That's how you know. If you call into Amex and there's no ring, pick up right away, bink, that's how you know. Bro, it's like a fucking bat line when you're high up there. But like I said, I don't even have an Amex account anymore. I got rid of all of my Amex accounts. I have no more Amex accounts. I closed all of my Amex accounts. Get the Apple card, get the cash back in your Apple cash balance. I thought about that, but I have good cash back cards right now. I think my highest is 2.5 or 2.5%. And it's on everything I do. Every single dollar I spend is 2 to 2.5% cash back. Yes, I had a Centurion for 3 or 4 years. Complete waste of money. Complete waste of money. Oh, dude, blackcard.com. Get the gold version, though. That's the good one. But you have to spend, for you to make money on that card, I think you have to spend $15,000 on it a year to break even. I'm pretty sure that's what it works out to be. For you to be able to get the cash back that would equate what the yearly thing is on it. All of my cash back cards have no yearly fee. So the Built card lets you pay your rent on it? What the fuck is a Built card? I had the Platinum and they waived the fees for me. They wouldn't do that anymore. And I canceled. Yeah, exactly, bro. Amex used to be way different, bro. Amex used to work with me and like do all this crazy shit. Like you could do any size transaction on an Amex card. I could buy watches on Amex cards. Like never, ever, ever get declined for anything. Never. You never get declined. How much do you spend on gas per gas driving and racing? Literally nothing, bro. I barely drive. Ripspot's mom is here. Oh, it's funny. Good comms. What's one thing you thought would change when you got money that didn't? What's one thing that you thought would change when you got money that didn't? Bro, everything's better when you have money. Dude, I grew up poor. Everything is way better in life when you have money. The best thing that you have when you get money, the best thing is freedom. The best thing that you get when you get money is freedom. That's it. Straight up. The more money you have, the more freedom you have. It's all about freedom. Shiny fucking cool things are fun, but like at the end of the day, it's all about freedom. Fuck you, money. That's the best. What's your favorite poor people food?
I don't know. Lived in Southern California, so a lot of poor food down there, I guess. I don't know. You talking about like shitty, like drive-through food? I didn't grow up on drive-through food. Mac and cheese? I don't know. Like how Joe Rogan put it, when you go to a restaurant, you do not check the menu prices. Yeah, I mean, it's the same thing. There's levels to it, right? There's levels where it's like you go to a store, like you go to a clothing store, designer clothing, for instance, and you never look at a price. You go to a restaurant, you never look at a price. The next level would be going to a car dealership and not caring what the price is. That's like insane amounts of wealth, right? Robinhood card recently came out 3% on everything. That's my main card. How do I get that? How do I get the Robinhood card? What do I have to do? Do I have to like have a big Robinhood account? 15 minutes until the top of the hour. Nikkei is open as of what? 15 minutes ago? Yeah. Quarter of the hour right now. Join the wait list? Dude, I've never traded big on Robinhood. Never once have I ever had a big account on Robinhood. During COVID, I think I had like a 50K account and I either blew it or I fucking ran it up and closed it. I've never traded big on Robinhood, ever. Do you look at the price at restaurants? What do you think? Come on. We are coming down. Jesus Christ, there's no news on this. Wait, 10-year JGB yield rises by 5 bips. Okay, there you go. It's like, why is the market rolling? The Japanese JGB went up by 5 bips right now. Huh. Did that just get released? That must have, yeah, okay. Cool. There's a dude I saw that nets 1.3 million a month. He has like 800 rental homes. Rips, is that fuck you money? Yeah. I mean, money where you don't have to worry. Like, dude, fuck you money to me is like that you don't think about money anymore, where it's like, you're good. You know what I mean? You don't worry about money to survive. You're good for surviving, so like your money is used for fun things. Like that's the only time you're thinking about spending money is like fun things. Everything else is always taken care of. That's fuck you money to me. Right? There's people who would be like, oh, fuck you money is being able to buy a jet and like not caring. There's levels to fuck you money, I suppose. But like for me, somebody who grew up poor, fuck you money is like not thinking about like your life is covered. You don't think about like, oh, I have to spend money to be alive. Like that part's all covered and you don't have to think about it. You know, that to me is fuck you money. And then like your money, the only thing that you're thinking about actually when you're spending money is like, what fun things am I going to do? You know, that to me that's when you've reached the level of fuck you money. When your passive income per month is more than you spend. Yeah, I mean, well, it's just like you don't even think about it, right? You like your bills are so insignificant, you don't think about it. You know? Like, oh, what is my payment for, let's say you have a rental property or a vacation home. You don't even think about what your payment is for that. You don't even notice it, you know? You don't even think about it. Nice buys here. Yeah, I mean, that was kind of an overreaction on the JGB. Huh. I don't know how to interpret that, to be honest. It was so aggressively sold. Oh, the Japanese market was closed on Friday. Well, there you go. Why was it closed on Friday? Nikkei's barely doing shit. Nikkei looks like nothing. I don't know. Everyone takes my family to Disney World after I still. I'm like, what the fuck? Well, there you go. If you have fuck you money, you go to Disney World and your family gets whatever the fuck they want for as many times as they want. You don't even think about it at all. Like literally, that's fuck you money. Go to Disneyland, go to Disney World, and you say, have whatever you want, get anything you want, go shopping in any of these stores, go fucking nuts. And you truly couldn't care less about it. That's fuck you money, baby. Digital Leo says, Ribs, thank you. I spent my weekend rewatching your playlist. Caught my first trade perfectly. Done for the day with one trade. Yo, there we go. We're sitting on one trade right now ourselves. Let me see if I can refresh Alpha Futures right now. I'll be so happy I can take that payout because then I can trade the accounts and whee. Payout, refresh. Nope, not yet. All right, 10 more minutes. We're going to find out if we can do the damn payout. Ben rich and Ben poor. Rich is but better. Yeah, dude, I don't understand. People were like, rich people aren't happy. Yeah, fucking right, buddy. Rich people aren't even happy. I mean, I've seen some miserable people who have money, but I'm guessing they didn't grow up poor. People who've grown up poor who get money, I don't think any of them are ever miserable. Not even a little bit. Rather cry on a jet ski. That's Kenny Powers, isn't it? I want to buy my life. I have money, but go to restaurants and try to calculate how many fucking calories I can afford. There you go. So you're on that 6-pack. Tax season stresses me out now. Well, I mean, I feel like if tax season stresses you out, you're not at the level of fucking money yet. Shouldn't be stressed out about tax season. Got to pay taxes, man. Government got to get their piece. Biggest mafia in the world. They got to get their slice. No way to avoid it unless you want to go live in Puerto Rico or Dubai or whatever the other places are. Always funny to see ultra rich people talk about how it doesn't mean anything. Which one? Hold on, let me see which part. Vienna sausage? Wait, what are we talking about? How it doesn't mean anything. What's the it part? Rips, may you please commentate what you see on the M&Q right now? I mean, that was a pitch and catch. I didn't take any of it. I'm waiting for the top of the hour in 10 minutes. Don't you pay your taxes monthly? Monthly or quarterly? It depends. I don't, dude, listen. If you guys get a CPA, you don't think or worry about any of these things. You get a CPA, you don't think about this shit, you don't worry about it, it's handled for you. You never even think about it. There's no thought. You just exist. You don't have to have the worry in the world. It's just handled for you. And these people would love your business. Hire your local CPA team. They'll love you for it. They'll be your best friend. There's also, you can prepay your taxes. The government is really good, believe it or not. The government is very good at refunding you. I'm not joking. That's not a troll. The government is actually very, very good at refunding you. Like they do not want to hold your money, believe me. They do not, like if you overpay the government, they will send you the shit right back. At least in my experience, that's been my experience every single time. They do not hold on to your money. They'll send that shit right on back. What business would you try starting now if you had to start over? I haven't really done. I was actually having a conversation about this with somebody at the pool party who was telling me like he's about to launch a couple of new businesses this year, and I was like, man, I love not having to think about that right now. I love not having to have employees, and I guess I do have employees right now, but you know what I mean? Like having to go to an office every day, it's just different. That was fun during the time for me, but like not having to go to the office is so nice, and not having to deal with like customers and supply chains and all that shit that comes along with it. Just nice. They owe me $14K and told me to pound sand. I don't believe that. I've never had an issue with the government. If you overpay your taxes, even by a little bit, refund check. Employees are the number one reason I will never own a business again. Dude, they are the worst. Employees are the worst. Right, Reb Smot? Oh man, employees are the worst. Dude, and like, I can't even imagine now, like, I had some younger people that were working for me, and like, even back then, the sense of entitlement that these kids would have, it was just like insane. Like, dude, and I would like, a lot of my sales guys, I would reward them with like crazy shit, like monthly things for like Rolex watches and shit like that. And the sense of entitlement from people was just insane. Anyway. Up 490 on micros and it's midnight. Catch you tomorrow. All right, Forgotten Trader. Let's go. Employer here of 20, it's incredible, the sense of entitlement. It's the fucking worst. And they all fucking resent you. It's like, dude, I own the fucking company. Jesus Christ. Like, it's not your shit. You just can't get too close to them. That's what I found throughout my experience of owning companies, starting companies, building companies. You can't get too close with your employees. Even though you want to be a good boss, you just can't do it. People get comfortable to act like they're doing you a favor even though you treat them well and take care of them. Yeah, better you treat them. It's just horrible. Yeah. Anyway, happy Sunday, liability bowl. There you go. Caught the pitch of catch up 1100 on 5 micros. Let's go, baby. Yeah, I'm missing all of this because it's not the right time for me to trade. I should have just taken this shit. It's beautiful, man. And it's crazy too because we still would have been short on that fucking runner if it wasn't for this little stupid blip. And it's crazy because it didn't even hit 55. What a joke. We're talking about you, Ripsmont. Nah, Ripsmont is chill, actually. There's been way worse than Ripsmont out there. Trust me. Ripsmont is a saint. My dad said the same thing. He tried to pay people more and then they wouldn't show up for work. Dude, it's like, even when I lived in Puerto Rico, like I was building, like, my house that I built in Puerto Rico was a fucking nightmare because the workers out there were so bad. I had to go through 3 different contractors. I had to go into lawsuits with contractors. Fucking nightmare. But like, dude, I had like guys that I would get, like, bro, Christmas bonuses too. And it's like, hey, I need you to show up 3 weeks to get somebody to show up to fix something that they fucked up. And it's like, homie, I gave you a Christmas bonus for you and your family. Like, fuck me, right? God. I love being asked for a raise after they make it through a 90-day probation period. Oh, God. Yeah, life is much better not having employees. Like, where I have to see them every day. I shouldn't be talking like this, but yeah. Life is just better. Like, I don't know. Some people like it. I'm not that guy. I'm happier where I'm at right now. Trading is so much more fun. Same shit happens to me. Basically, best paying place around my employees end up being worse than they were, making me less. Makes no sense. Dude, it's insane. I know exactly what you're talking about. It's fucking insane. Nobody understands except for fellow entrepreneurs. Like, nobody gets it. And people are like, whoa, dude, what do you care? You get to own your own company, man. I got a boss, dude. It's like, you don't fucking get it. Some days you'd rather just like have a regular ass job, right? Some days you'd rather be like, well, fuck, I want to be like one of these fucking shithead employees. Rips, I'm Umberto from YouTube. Just passed 3 comments. Let's go. Pitch and catch, baby. About how much time each trading day do you spend trading your own account? Well, so far, we're clocking in on the week for about 5 minutes so far. We've been trading it for 5 minutes this week so far. I'll keep you up to date if you keep asking throughout the week. We're currently at about 5 minutes of trade time. Currently. Also, I know that shit. I have a restaurant and been dealing with employees. It's a thing. Yeah, people don't get it, man. People don't get it. Like, people think that it's all like, oh, you got a business, it's great, and people respect you. And it's like, nah, man. You got to deal with all their bullshit and their drama, their jealousy, their nonsense, their fucking problems. And then they try to make you feel bad when shit in their life is terrible. It's like, God, you're their fucking camp counselor, their psychologist, and then, hey, I deserve more money. Go be an entrepreneur. It's fun. Trading is so much better. Trading is so goated. God, dude. I don't miss it. I do not miss it. I know I'm missing the dump, but yeah, it's fine. I'm going to wait until the top of the hour because I want to see if we can get a payout. Trading just got to deal with yourself. Dude, I wake up every single day and the only person who can fuck things up is Ripsmont. No, I'm kidding. It's me. That's it. The only person who can fuck my life up is me, dude. That's it. The only person I got to keep in check is me. What a godsend. Oh, I love it. Only person who can fuck the pooch is me. And I can count on myself. I get 1 pooch to fuck a month. This is bad, taken out of context. No, but like, seriously, I wake up every single morning. I'm like, all right, well, as long as you don't fuck things up, things are good. It's fine. Just don't fuck things up. You know? That's it, man. Trade well, be happy, have fun. There you go. No inventory to deal with, no fucking customers, no complaints, no nonsense. Oh, God bless. You think employees or customers are worse? I think employees, man, straight up. I love my customers. Customers are great.
Dude, whenever I had products companies, you want to be the best for your customers. Customers are the lifeblood of your business. Your products, your businesses, whatever. Your services, your customers are everything. Love your customers. Employees, those motherfuckers. Yeah, more. Ripsmod is literally watching this right now. I'm not talking about you, Ripsmod. I love you, buddy. It's a completely different game. This is completely different. Completely different game. I'm talking about like when you have like a physical building that you have to go and show up to and they're there. Why does it sound so bad when I say it out loud? When those motherfuckers are there and you gotta see them. Why does it sound so bad when I say it out loud? But it's true. Anybody who's an entrepreneur fucking knows, dude. You fucking know exactly what I'm talking about, man. People who go and show up to their work are gonna be like, fuck, hope my boss isn't mad at me now. I'm a business owner, full-time trader, employees are the worst. See, dude, we all feel the same way. Oh no, just be good to your boss, man. Fuck, your boss is like really just dealing with it every fucking day. You think your problems are bad? Give your boss some love. We need Boss Appreciation Day, man. After being a nice boss, it didn't work well and started treating employees like tissue paper, always replaceable, work like magic. It's crazy how that works too. Dude, you be the cool boss, everybody fucking tramples you. Oh man, they fucking trample your shit. Most of my roofing sales guys make 5K plus a week and I still can't get them to go out on their own without holding your hand. See? Exactly, bro. You get exactly what I'm saying, man. And it's you're just like, bro, what the fuck? Like, what would fucking motivate you, bro? What the fuck? It's 5K a week. Are you out of your mind in this economy? You know? Yeah. Dude, listen, I've been the cool boss. I've been the asshole boss. I've been the dickhead. I've been the nice guy. Like everything, man. End of the day, like, I don't know. Maybe it's just meant for certain types of people. It's just, your headspace is much better when you don't have a bunch of employees. At least in my experience. Pitch and catch? Yeah, that's valid right now as long as we're week below 20s. Week below 20s. Week below 20s, cracking 750. I'm not into it though. I'm not taking it. Crack of 750s is the low crack on this. You need it to crack 750. $7.50 to the low side. Here it comes. Cracky crack. Will it do it? I'm not taking it myself. Let me see if I can take my payout. Please, come on. Please, please, please. Can I just... God, wait. Yeah! I can do it! It's payout time, baby. Oh, I just had to refresh the page. Fuck yeah, let's go. Who asked about the PNC? L2. Nice work. Okay. All right, let's do this. Here we go. Good fucking comms. Let's fucking go, baby. Oh, no. Get out of here. Sorry. Okay. Aha. See, it's all working now. Okay, payout method is gonna be rise, withdraw, what is it, 698? 7,500? Reason, payout? I don't know, fucking payout? Okay. 695, rise. 695, 7354, submit. Okay. And then 697. 697, I can take out 7488. Bang. Cool. Bang. There we go. Bang. Did it take out the money yet, though? Okay, so in total, I just requested 7354, 7488, 7500, $22,342, and then I'm gonna get paid 90%. I just requested $20,107.08. 80 cents. Bang! Let's go, baby. Yo, I'm gonna tell them. See if it speeds it. Light a fire under their ass now. Let's see. Just requested a payout. Let me know if you see it. Just light a fire under their ass.
fucking, did you see it? Hey, do you see it? Let's see how fast they pay though, for real. What is Rise? Rise works. I didn't get an email yet. No email. I will say this, the Lucid payout system is by far and away the best. By far and away the best. It is the best. It said blocked for payout? Wait, what said blocked for payout? Let me see. Where? What do you mean? Wait, on my thing? Oh, status blocked for payout. Hey, let's go. I see that. Thank you. I didn't see that. Cool. Blocked for payout. So I can't even trade on it. Bang. You're right. Fucking dope, baby. I'm stoked, man. Yeah, you're right. I see it blocked for payout. Cool. Yeah, so the cool thing about it too is I'm going to have a shit ton of drawdown, right? Because I only took out half. Okay, he said yes. Okay, let me see now. Here comes the fucking real pressure. About how long will it take to receive my payouts? I'm putting the pressure on, guys. Let's see. I'm really putting the pressure on. Using that streamer fucking logic right now, baby. Good to be a streamer, isn't it? No, I guarantee you whatever payout speed I get on this will be the same that you guys get. It's the same as Lucid, bro. I don't get any special treatment from Lucid. Everybody gets paid out in 2 minutes from Lucid. So hopefully I wake up. I've been paid out by Alpha, and I've been paid out by fucking who'd-you-ma-call it? TPT. Bang. No employees, baby. Living the life of no employees. Bang. Who caught the pitch and catch, by the way? Look at that. Juiced up and boost up, baby. Damn. Good Lord. Week under 20s. Look at that. You got this one and then you got that one. Who got both? Who got one of them? Tell me somebody got one of them. Headshot. Bang. Let's go. Fuck employees. That's the fuck employees trade right there. Dude, that was so perfect too because week underneath 20s and then you're targeting these lows. Oh. Ah. Ah. Sorry, I'm excited. I get a payout, dude. Get a payout for trading in sim for 5 days. Fucking stoked. Hashtag fuck employees. Yeah. Let them know. No email yet. Oh, wait. He's typing. What is he saying? Let's see. My friend over at Alpha Futures. What is he saying? Roommate was yelling at me for chopsticks? Tell him you're going to shove those chopsticks so far up their ass they will be fucking eating out of their throat. I guess. I don't know. It sounded intimidating in my mind. 3 brand new express for tomorrow. Let's go, passion. Passion. Is 7 the line in the sand now? Oh, 7? No. 20 is still the line in the sand. But the fact that we took out those lows, right? We stuffed those lows so that it changes the order flow now. Let's see. So it's the weekend right now, so none of our payments team are online at the moment, so I would say expect around New York Open or so. Great. Sweet. Thanks. Cool. Job's done. Okay, let's see. Our 20s week. Let's find out here. I guess we could try one little schmeckulation here. Here, I'm gonna try it. I'm just gonna try it. I'm gonna try it and see if we can get it. Keep a tight stop since we are making equal highs right now. Keep a tight stop here and see if we can schmeckulate this since I have $3,100 worth of drawdown in my Apex. I'm just gonna try it, guys. I'm blindly trying this. If we break back below, I'm gonna add to it. Okay? We're blindly trying this schmeckulation here. If we get it, we get it. If we don't, we don't. It's fine if we don't. I don't mind either way. Just give me that weakness underneath the 20s and we can go for it, right? That's not weakness underneath the 20s. However, I'm still holding this. However, if we retrace here below 30s like this, hold on, wait. Watch this, boom. And we can get that exchange back below 20s and then we use that weakness point as the ultimate PNC back to the downside here. Holy smokes, let's go.
Give it to me now. Back below 20s. Just give me. Oh, come on. Just don't do it. You're dancing with my emotions right now. You're dancing with my emotions, baby. I'm fired up right now. I got to pay out. Sorry. Come on, just do it. Just break those 20s and then we fucking roll. And then we were so close to passing these things. Come on, baby. You could do it. Put your back into it below the 20s. Just fucking fail the 20s. Hold on. Just right there. Oh, it's so close. It was so close. All we need is for it to break those 20s to the downside and this thing will fucking roll so heavily. We have a 42 bid right now. If that 42 gets schmacked, it's over, bro. It's freaking over if that 42 gets schmacked. Oh, I hate that they're bidding 20s right now. They're moving it up. They're walking it up. That 42 bid. If we can crack that 42 bid, it's over. It's lights out and it's the nastiest roll you've ever seen. So let's see. Let's see. They want it so bad, dude. They want it. Yep. They're dipping into it. Come on, give me the freaking. God, they touched it and they got so scared of it. They touched it and they saw it was real. Fuck. Oh, it was so painful. They saw it was real. Fuck. God damn it. Not like this. Did you see that though? If you guys were watching the order flow in the S&Ps, you see that they touched that order. They saw it was real and they literally ran for the hills. The moment that they saw it was real. So if they could touch it again, they could sweep it. We might be able to get out of this one alive, but it's not looking pretty right now. Dude, they touched it and they're like, yeah, that's real. They were hoping it was an iceberg at 42 and it was not even close. Oh God, I always have these dreams for Apex that we're gonna pass it in one single trade and then this shit happens every single time. That was like the perfect setup for a sweet little lick to the downside, that 20 lick. Oh baby, just give it to me. I've been such a good boy. No, please, right there. No, they're still bidding it. Fuck me. They're bidding the shit out of it right now. They're bidding the shit out of 45s. It's so volatile. I have so much. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah. I layered into it so heavy too. Here, can I show you what I saw? Let me see. Look at, look. I'll show you. Look at, look. Look at, that was the order. They stepped into it. They saw it was real. And then they just went, ah! Look at that, dude. Look at how much they literally touched it for half a second and then went, ah! They ran the fucking jewels on that thing, dude. That was insane. But that's why you watch both. That was the exact reason for why we did not break 20s. That's why you watch both of the pieces of order flow there. Still fun though. Still fun for trading tonight. Had a great time. It just means we're not going to be able to trade those accounts tomorrow, unfortunately. As per usual, what a shock. We can't figure Apex out. I get hungry eyes every single time. You know what it is? It's the idea that we can pass those accounts so quickly and that we can pass them in one trade. Because let's be honest, if we faded 20s there, I pass those in one single trade. If we actually tap below those 20s there, oh my God, I pass the accounts instantly. That's instant pass on those. Because what are we at? $1,100. We only need to make $7,900. What did we have? We had full size on. Like I couldn't add any more contracts. So what was that? 200 divided by 7,100. 7,100 divided by 200. And I had what? How many contracts on? Let's just call it 10. So I only needed 20 points from there. So yeah, going back down to 24,000 would have passed the accounts. They did. That's just insane. I guess I could have tried to reverse it, but yeah, not quick enough. Not quick enough, baby. Every single time I try to go for a big trade on Apex, it just bites me in the ass. One of these days it's gonna work. However, the thing that I'm not staying true to on these accounts is that I'm not trading them how I would trade them in my PAs, right? I would never trade them like that in my PAs. Ever. I would have been very happy with the money that we made in those. Okay, Tradeify we have. They haven't taken out my money of TPT. And then let's see, Alpha, if they've taken out my money in Alpha. Nope, so I got nothing.
Load up another 20 for the morning session, brother. They're still alive. They're still alive. I got another $2,000 of drawdown on these bad doggers. What do you use for hotkeys? I use my Stream Deck XL, baby. It's my Stream Deck XL. I know, dude. The problem is, like, dude, I get it. Like, I think it's gonna reflex too, and I think it's gonna trade down lower, but it's just gonna take time first. We had a bad location for the market. I levered into it because I wanted to get this little 20 refresh, and then it goes, right? We're just bad timing on that. That's all. Like, if we would have had from that to that, or like this here, let me see, like that to that, that's all we needed. From that to that is passing the accounts. That's all we really needed. That to that, basically passing the accounts. That's all we needed. Can you buy bulk now on Apex? Not that I'm aware of. No, I haven't seen it. Let me see on my end. I have not seen that on my end. Let me see. I'm refreshing. Not that I see, no. Trade debate. No. Nope, I cannot. No bulk yet. They told me that they're going to allow bulk, and they're also allowing straight to funded too. I just messaged them. We'll see when bulk payouts are coming. Like, dude, if I would have had that, like 70 to 50, bro, like, that would have been the one. $3,100, by the way, is still not enough to be trading minis. 3,100 daily drawdown is still not enough to be trading in minis and those things. They are going to be adding that. They're going to be adding it where you can probably buy packs of 5 or packs of 10. I guarantee. Like, they have it on their website. It literally says that they're going to be having that. I'm not joking. Like, literally. Let me see. You guys want to do a giveaway? There's 900 people watching. I figure we should do a giveaway. Look. You guys think I'm lying about this? Look. Let's do a giveaway, though. I want to do a giveaway. You guys have been sitting here listening to all of my terrible jokes. Me acting like an idiot. I've had a great stream. I don't know about you guys. You guys had fun today? Good GLOBEX stream? I had a great stream. I had a great stream because I get my payouts. Fucking stoked on that. I had a fun stream with you guys. Look at this, though. Right here, homies. Accounts, end of day, intraday, instant PAs coming soon, up to 20 accounts, one-time fees, bulk checkout coming soon. So look at instant PAs and bulk checkout are both coming soon. This is on their website, guys. This is literally on their website. So I'm not making this shit up. It's coming, baby. Bro, when they have fucking instant PAs, it's lights out. I'm gonna fucking run the jewels so hard on that shit. Dude, for the life of me, I cannot pass the fucking, the stupid evals, bro. This is going to be try number 3. I'm already ready for try number 4, but whatever. It's so annoying. I just over leverage every fucking time. All right, let's do, what do you guys want to do? Apex, Lucid. I'll let you guys pick. You can pick Apex or Lucid, okay, for the giveaway. All right, Ripspot, if you would, drop the link for Lucid, please. Drop the link for Lucid. You guys will pick, okay? You guys can pick. When you win, you can pick. You tell me when you win. Okay, drop the link for Lucid, please, Ripsmod. Thank you. Click the link, everybody. Click the link. The Lucid link that Ripsmod is going to drop. Click that link, okay? Why are you not dropping it on YouTube, Ripsmod? Oh, there you go. Hello. Finally, Jesus. Taking a break from life over there, huh? You know, YouTubers are people too. God. YouTubers, can you believe that? Ripsmod doesn't even care about you. I would fucking, if you see Ripsmod in person, you tell that motherfucker it's time to catch hands. All right. Scroll down. Scroll down, okay? At the bottom there, it says frequently asked questions. It says, what is Lucid Trading? How does it work?
What's the difference between an evaluation, yada, yada, yada? Okay, down there at the last question, it says, where can I learn more details about your blank? Type in that word. Type in that word. Who's going to be the first YouTuber to type it in? Let's see. Damn, you guys are fast. Holy. That's it. Type in that one word. I'm going to pick one lucky winner tonight. You can either pick an Apex account or a Lucid account. It's your world, baby. Just don't forget, we're all living in it. We're just NPCs in your world. Don't you ever forget that shit. We are just NPCs living in your world. Da-da. Dude, one day, I swear to God. One day, I swear to Ganesh, I'm gonna fucking get in there. I'm gonna fucking get a fucking Apex train. I'm gonna put it on. And it's just gonna be this one right fucking here. Where it's just, and just fucking be over leveraged as shit. And I'm gonna get it. And God. All right, we got 270 people here in the giveaway. Let's go for 300, and then I'll do the drawing. 300, in the words of Little Wayne. 300. I've had no caffeine tonight. I know you don't believe me. I've had 0 caffeine tonight. I'm just high on payouts, baby. That's what happens when you... Is it a crime that you get me a couple payouts and I catch a little bit of motion? Is that a crime? Last time I checked, it ain't. Give me a couple payouts in Alpha. Give me a couple payouts in TPT. Bro, you know what it is? I haven't had a TPT payout since fucking 1964. No, when was my last TPT payout? It was right before the fiasco where I lost $55,000 and I hadn't been able to get my bearings straight because they weren't activating my damn accounts. So listen. The reason why I'm so juiced up tonight is because I'm catching a little bit of motion from these payouts, you know? You guys mad at me for getting a little motion this evening? Jesus. Catching a little motion this evening. Golly. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. It's time. Hold on, I got to put on giveaway music first. Speaking of motion, the NQ's catching a little motion to the top side here. My God. Let's see. Game show music, contest. Hog calling contest? What the fuck? Game show playlist? Okay. How about That's right, everybody. Come on down to the Price is Ripsy, where you too can win yourself a Lucid Pro account. 50,000 in size. It's yours for free if you tune in now. Just type in the word programs into your favorite chat box and you too can be selected to win. No purchase necessary. Void where prohibited. Suck a dick. All right, everybody, here we go. I like how the music goes up an octave. Makes me stressed out. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. One winner tonight. Who's it going to be? Oh, by the way, you have to be following me on Instagram. You have to be following me on Twitter. Let me know what your username is on Instagram or Twitter. You have 60 seconds to claim. Those are the rules. Good luck, everybody. Oh my God, Daniel, you got robbed by the Crocodile Hunter. It's Crocodile Hunter P2O. Congratulations, buddy. You got 60 seconds to claim your prize. All right, let's see. Lucky person, Crocodile Hunter. They might not even be caught up to the live here. You guys don't give up on hope. Send all the bad vibes you can right now to Crocodile Hunter that he won't claim it. And maybe it's you. Keep sending the bad vibes, everybody. Okay, he says, I'm here. Here's part 2. Congratulations, here's part 2. What is your name on Instagram or on Twitter? so I can find you and send you your prize. And then you're going to let me know, is it a Lucid account that you want, or is it an Apex account? Same guy from last week. It's certainly not. I've never seen the Crocodile Anta. Never seen this Crocodile Anta win. Set a timer for 40 seconds.
40 seconds starting now.
All right, dude. If you don't type in your username, we're waiting on you. We're waiting on you, buddy. You got to type in that username. Don't put the @ symbol. You should know better. You got 20 seconds left. Oh, no, guys. And then this again, dude. Guys, come on. I've done it, Rips. You haven't. Look. I've done it, Rips. You haven't. It would show up if you'd done it. Type in a full sentence. My username on Twitter is this. Hey, Rips. Like, type spam fucking chat right now. Just fucking go crazy. Spam shit. Guys, like, if I won something, I'd be like, fuck! Ah! I wouldn't be doing this fucking one sentence every fucking 6 hours shit, that's for sure. Literally, you could catch me in my office, and I'd be screaming. Ah! Like that, while I'm typing. What do we do, guys? I don't know what to do. They don't even want to spam chat right now. Crocodile! Oh, there we go. Look at he just did. Look at he did it, guys. Look. Look at he did it. Crocfoot Max in it. I guess that's Aussie. They don't say in it. Crocodile Max, you cunt! That was not Aussie at all. I'm sorry. Sorry to my Aussies. That was terrible. All right, let's see if he follows me here. No way, guys. Look at this. Look at this. How come it's always these guys? Look at this. Crockford Mac. I literally copied paste. Look at this. Guys, how? This is who you're trading against. How does this happen? Guys, help. I need an adult. How do we solve this? What do we do? Look at, he's spamming it now too, look. Crockford Max. Okay, watch this, look at this. Oh! Ah! We found him! Oh. All right, guys. All right, now he's spamming, I love you. Good. Okay, guys. Since that took so much of your time, what do you say we do one more? One more? We do one more? But here's the deal. All right, here's the deal. We do one more, but if you don't claim it properly, I'm fucking out of here. Can we make that promise? Like, if you're too mentally retarded to claim your prize, I'm just out of here. Don't you think that's fair? Because we do one more, but it has to be a non-special, right? It has to be like a non-special. I'm not saying you're special, Max, by the way. Nothing but love for you, pal. Nothing but love for you. I'm not claiming it. Trust me. I love you, pal. But you did type in the wrong username. The show wouldn't be as much fun without this. I'm telling you right now. The show would not be as much fun if we didn't have this. This is what makes the show fun for me. Why is it surf music when I wanted giveaway music, by the way? The dude says, I got you. I only need 20 seconds. My man. All right, Lucid Flex? Lucid Flex. Or no, fuck it. I'll give you which one's more expensive? Hold on. Which one costs more? I'm going to give you the more expensive one because I got to make fun of you a little bit. Okay, Lucid Pro is $129. Lucid Flex is $91. Fuck it. I'm giving you a Pro. I'm going to give you the pricier one, buddy. If that's okay with you. I'm going to give you the more expensive one. Here's the deal. If the next guy doesn't claim it very quickly, I'm going to give you the cheaper one. I give you the cheaper one. All right, Lucid Pro 50K. Bang, there you go. Love you, Max. Congratulations, Max. Everybody say W, Max. Let's go, Max. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This is it. This is the last giveaway of the evening. You get 60 seconds to claim. Have your username ready. Do not type the @ symbol. Make sure you spell it right. Here we go. Bang, and we're off. Let's go, baby. Crocodile says I also passed the other one I won last week. Let's go, baby. Time to go for 2. Oh, yeah, you did win before. Oh, Pete, no! Oh, fuck. And Carl Hungus, too. God, we got some superstars in here. Oh, is it stopping? Is it stopping? Wow, another YouTuber, guys. YouTubers are smoking you kicksters, by the way. Wow. You kicksters are getting smoked. You guys are getting smoked. You guys are getting smoked. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Let's see. They typed in their username and everything. Let's see if it's on X. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna check. I'm checking right now. I'm checking right now. Going to X. Let's see. They do follow me. Oh my God. And I love this person. This guy's a G. I'm giving you a pro whether you like it or not, pal. Lucid Pro coming your way. Lucid Pro 50K. It's the most expensive thing. Bang. Bang. Give it up for our winners, everybody. Give it up for our winners. That was awesome. Big dubs for our winners. Let's go. Good people won tonight. Good times. All right, everybody. Fucking Apex, man. God damn it, Ripsy. What else did we do? Is that the only thing we traded? It is, huh? Fuck me. All right. Well, that's my Sunday GLOBEX stream, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow for the Monday stream to kick off the week. If you didn't know, Monday, we have a very, very light Monday in terms of data. We do have Goolsby, who's going to be speaking right at 8:30. At the same time, they're going to be releasing the Chicago Fed National Activity Index, which nobody cares about. So tomorrow, as far as news goes, not all that important. We do get the preliminary PMI on Tuesday. On Wednesday is pretty dead. Thursday, we get jobless claims. Of course, we always do. And on Friday, we get the University of Michigan sentiment. So next week could be a week that makes your dreams come true. Will you show up for it? That's entirely up to you. Take care, everybody. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern, 7 a.m. Central, 5 a.m. Pacific if you're a nutbag like me. Take care. See you. Bye.